Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you some of the plumbing rough-in process. And because there was so much stuff going on at one time, we had guys still working on the siding on the gable ends and just a bunch of noise going on. And there was a radio playing in the background, so I don't want to get a copyright strike. There'll be places in this where I'm just going to blank out the video or the audio and put in some music for you. But we're starting this process in the master bathroom where you see our plumber working now is in the master bathroom shower. This shower actually has 3 shower heads in it, and he's working on the one there in the end and putting up the control valves and running the water lines to it. Now here you're going to see him cutting up foam insulation that he's going to put over the PEX water lines where they pass through the speed floor joist. Services pass through holes because there's kind of a sharp edge, and when you're turning water on and off, sometimes those lines will move a little bit, and you don't want over time to have that sharp edge wearing a hole in your water line. Here you'll see him making connections in this PEX. There's 2 colors of PEX, blue for cold and red for hot. And the system that's being used in this application is a crimp ring connection on a brass fitting where you've got joints. This system is really good because it's resistant to bursting if you have a freeze in your house, and it saves a lot of money on material and labor costs because of the ease of installation. Here you see them working on the drain lines on the wall where the sink vanity is going to go. The drain lines for the shower obviously were put in during the rough-in phase under the slab. And you'll see them run these through the wall because there's 2 sinks going to be in the vanity. And then you'll see another pipe going up the wall, and that is part of the vent system so that we don't get an airlock and the plumbing does drain effectively. This room is the downstairs half bath, guest bathroom. You'll see it's backed up to the master closet, and what they're doing now is going up to tie in the vent line with the vents coming out of the master bathroom.
Just about 6 inches instead, okay?
This is the mechanical room, and what you see I'm working on right now is the main water line coming from the well. We're going to end up having the well pressure tank and switch and the water heater, water softener, water filtration, and the whole house dehumidifier in here along with the main electrical panel.
Right there is your measurement. Whatever you need to measure. But I'm just trying to figure out how I want to run the pipes back to it now. Because I don't want to get everything in my way of my water heater lines. Drop down.
Yeah, we set that tank in the corner, then we can come in.
I'm
that
giving
side.
you right there, see that hash mark? That's
Yeah.
28 inches off that wall for the pressure tank in that corner
Yeah,
right over
and
there.
it's not that big.
Now, that'll work then. Okay, Dawson, go ahead and start that. Like I said, no, wait a minute. Yeah, we need to be,
And then the T on the tank will come out the other side
yeah,
and go.
that's going to be his inlet right here coming into the T fan right here. And then
Yeah.
the outlet will be coming back here into our line right there
Yeah.
to take off. So, Dawson, go ahead and.
And he's probably gonna be me.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna keep everything this side of this drain here, so that door doesn't hit it. You know. I think that's what y'all wanted yesterday. I was kind of trying to pay a little attention.
Yeah, well, just because I'll put a door stop in, but
Right.
if we can prevent any potential conflict, because,
Right.
you know, anything that can go wrong will.
Yeah, exactly. You just take your time, make that nice and neat going across there. Same height all the way off the concrete, probably is what I'd do to the center of the glue.
This is the feeder line that's going to come out of the pressure tank into the filters, then the water softener, and then branch out to go to the rest of the house and into the water heater. This area is our laundry room, and where he's working right now is connecting up the drain lines for the washing machine, and then there's going to be a utility sink over in the corner, and then we're going through the wall to the outdoor kitchen area. So we're going to have to make provisions on the water lines that go outside to turn that off in the wintertime. So we're putting ball valves in the wall here, and I'll make a panel that covers that. We'll be able to pop that off, turn the water lines off, and drain the fixtures outside. Then we'll put RV antifreeze in the P-trap in the sink outside to keep that stuff from freezing.
Well, would it be better for me to put the hole higher or lower?
Higher. Don't get too high though.
Well, it'd be right in here.
About 60, 18 off the concrete's good. Somewhere in there, 16 to 20 inches in there.
Okay.
Anyway, that'd be fine.
You only got so many feet. Yeah. Well, I mean, without going all the way through it. What's the
Yeah, you can just drill your hole and I'll work my pipe to it. That's why I'm leaving that end open, because I can cut the pipe off and do whatever I want with it.
Over here would be better.
Yeah, somewhere in there would be good.
Okay.
Yeah, do it wherever he
I
wants.
should be able to go straight through foam right there.
Okay. Bitch here, huh? Yeah, go ahead. Clean it up. Remember, put this right up. As you swing your key right to the front of this as it's crossing the studs. Go back, now come forward. Just keep it at 8 inches in. You good? Come toward you a little more. There you go. All right, now, you're gonna take this street. You're gonna come directly back to the center like this, boop and boop. Get your measurement right there.
Yeah.
This box they're working on now is the hot and cold supply line and drain for the washing machine.
All right, make it 2.5. You go ahead and get that glued in, and then we'll get a flathead and bust that out of that hole out of there. And you can glue that, screw it, and put your 1.5 bent up about a foot above the box and stop it. And don't do anything from that point till I have a couple 45s in the box in itself.
I'm getting low on 3/4 ounce.
Yeah, we'll have to grab some tomorrow. We may need to make a run down to the shop. It's not like I want to, but because if you wait to do that during fixtures, knock that out. If you're not on top of it, you'll knock that plug right down the damn drain. Then you got a hell of a problem.
I love you.
And of course,
Is that it's gonna be in a rebar?
no, I think it's a little bit over.
To the left of it, actually.
Okay.
About a 2-inch spread between lines. Be about right. He gave you your 2 lines already, did he? Cool. You just start them on out. Right now, I'm gonna show you something pretty close. I don't think I explained. Nothing major. Jay Dawson, I cannot. You'll have to guide it right where you need it, okay? Put it where you want it, and tell me to grip and hold it, and I got it. Is that good?
Yeah, that'll work.
Get her going, buddy.
Okay.
So basically, 4.5 would work. It wouldn't be a lot of play, but 4.5 would be enough to get the pipe and then the flange down. But see what I'm saying? It's like, you can tell right now, it's just on the edge all the way around.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sitting literally right in the edge.
That's gonna take,
That's gonna take time to do.
yeah. If y'all got something else you can do,
Yeah.
I'll
I shall find
Let me
something.
finish cleaning this up.
Yeah,
and
take
then
your time,
I'll get on that and get it opened up.
What? We
But-
can still start on the side and get our rides
the
up.
toilet hole over there is 4 inch too.
It's the same thing over there. So we can start the drainage. We just can't run the toilet yet, you understand?
Yeah.
We have to line up and head to the toilet first,
Yeah.
but we can at least get the drainage up and get going.
Okay, give me about 5 minutes and then I'll.
Oh, you ain't gotta rush on this. You take your time. We'll get something going here.
This is what I was talking about, that the 4-inch hole was going to lead to some problems that needed to be fixed that you'd see in the next video, in the last video. So the holes should have actually been a 4.5-inch hole instead of 4-inch, because the bottom of the toilet flange has a bell shape on it that needs to go down in that hole, and the fitting that goes on the 4-inch pipe is too big to go through a 4-inch hole. So we're having to open these holes up in this bathroom, and then you're not going to see the stuff in the studio, but I had to do the same thing in the studio bathroom to make room for this fitting to go down in the concrete.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're fine. Where's it from? Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Oh, we're fine. Okay, just need to be careful where it's at.
You need more taken out?
Just a little bit right here. See where my finger is?
Yeah.
Right there. That's it. Just that.
Okay.
Use that, and that'll hold our 90, and we can get an exact measurement using this flange. Does it fit in good?
Oh, yeah.
Lay it there, man. Leave it there for now. Let me look at it from under here. Just put it in there. Hey, go ahead and put it in. Yeah, buddy, I like that. A little bit of play on it too. Move it right there. Leave it right there.
All right, now that the plumbers are working and they got the tub installed today, I need to put them a nailer in to attach the tub to, but I also need to put the studs back in that the carpenters took out so we could get the tub in. So. Get that level or plumb on and work on finishing nailing it in. This roof is a 10-12 pitch, and that means that it should be somewhere between 39 and 40 degrees on a cut. It looks like these are cut at 40. So I need to cut it, and then I'm gonna get it set, and I'll scribe the bottom to get it pretty damn close. Alright, so I'm setting the table on this saw at 40 degrees. Now we need to get another nailing strip or screw strip so they can attach the tub on the other side. And it needs to be 72.5 total. But I don't know that I'm going to be able to get a 72.5 inch board in there. We're gonna try though. Just almost wants to go. What do we need? T25. Took with a little slack. Alright, I didn't shoot holes in the tub. That's a plus. Okay, I think that's good.
All right, folks, I think that's going to wrap this video up for today. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.